Bleed Creations.
Hello guys, welcome from eastern Poland. Very nice winter, about -10 Celsius degrees, so it's very nice weather. And today's subject is Red Oxide Primer. Red Oxide Primer is one of the most promising topics in modeling. All types of effects can be used. Effects like rust, streaks, chipping, dust, well, simply complete freedom for weathering. Privately, this is my favorite topic. There is nothing better than old, unpainted steel. Actually, it's simple. It's very simple. We need two paints. I mean 3, but 2 are super basic. So, third one is more effects paint to make all stuff brighter. It is flat white. The primer paint determines the final appearance of the vehicle from the very beginning. So we have to choose red primer and dark brown paint on the edges, or black primer and lightening from the top with deck and paint. And here is the example for the changing panel shades. It's E5 Rucher from Das Werk. As you can see, it's completely different colors of the panels every each one, so it's a very nice example. Of course, the concept was born after recording this short video. That's why I replaced the gray primer with the correct color, which was red primer. And then, as I mentioned before, I added dark brown to the edges. Always great idea is to keep darker colors of the primer or black primer on the bottom of the vehicle, like chassis or the lower hull. It gives extra shadow after a basic painting of whole vehicle, so it's a very nice idea. Continuing, the dark foundation gives us amazing shadows almost immediately, which, thanks to weathering effects, we can draw out to make them more visible at the later stage of war. And this is how a good base for further work is created. Simple, right? Well, that's why I'm here, to show you how to achieve interesting effects in simple ways. So, we have painted vehicle, shadows are nice, I think looks very nice, perfect. Clearly, yeah, it's good. And oh no, it's not the title of the movie, and not that kind of movie. It's just a graphic from my Facebook. Sorry for that. We can continue work. Sorry. I show you how to do it, so it's time to say a few words about the materials used. So on. Paints, I used Tamiya acrylics, so it was XF1 flat black, XF7 flat red, XF3 flat yellow, XF2 flat white, XF55 deck tan, and thinner X20A. And don't forget warm water. I'm using it every time to dilute paints, to clean my airbrush. It's very nice and useful, so keep it on your workshop. Okay, so the proportions are variable, so I won't give you any specific percentages. In my opinion, in modeling, sometimes it's better to trust your own intuition. I think so. And do not forget to visit my Patreon page /BleedCreations, where you can support me to make more videos. But okay, look how nice it looks after painting a few details with a brush. And after painting first layer of chipping, I was totally shocked. Effects exceeded my expectation totally. When you watch this short video, I am preparing another way for you to create nice red primer effect. I have nice ready for painting Hobbyboss kit called Panzer 3/4 Einheit Fahrgäste, so it's very interesting one. It's a mix of Panzer 3 and Panzer 4, and I will make a different way for the red primer with the green shades. If you saw Hataka set of paints with item number AS35, I made that set a few years ago. I made a color palette for that, and even the box cover with the Tiger 1 hull, so you can check it online or you can buy it, you can test it. I think it's perfect composition of colors to create very nice and interesting red primer effect. And that's it for starters. It's nice to come back after 7 years to what gives true meaning to my life. And let's not forget, modeling is fun, a time of relaxation. Everyone sets their own tone and level. So let's stick with it. Cheers, guys! In next episode, Burger Panzer 4 in 1/72 scale, I will show you painting, weathering and whole process of the finishing of that model. It was 3D printed, so it is interesting and modern one. So see you next time, bye!